Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We made this video based on a subscriber's request. He wanted to establish a backtest. A buy signal is generated when the closing price over a 5-day period ranks in the bottom 50% of its 10-day range and is followed by a new high in the closing price. The position is then sold upon reaching a certain profit target or risk threshold. This is an effective strategy, and we will show you the detailed steps of the backtest. You can use the same method to create a similar backtest. Now, let's take a look at the step-by-step demonstration. To get started, select SPX as your symbol and keep the other options as default, or you can adjust the other parameters based on your strategy. Under Entry Criteria, change Single Condition in the upper right corner to TimeOrder Multi-Condition. Then, check Use Time Period Limit and set period to 5. This means that a trade signal is generated only when Condition 1 and Condition 2 are met in sequence within 5 trading days. Go to Condition 1 to enter the first entry condition. Click on the Type drop-down menu and choose symbol OHLCV. Then, move to the Indicator drop-down menu, select the symbol calls, and then choose 10-day period % of previous range less than 50. Click the Condition 2 tab, select the symbol OHLCV and select Symbol Calls, and then choose 10-day period % of previous range greater than 100. Under the Exit criteria, set the Take Profit and Stop Loss to 50% and 20%. This allows you to secure your gains or cut your losses in a timely manner. Once that's all set, hit the Run Backtest button to start the analysis. After it completes, you'll automatically be taken to the Results tab, showcasing the outcomes. We hope you enjoyed learning how to create a backtest of the recent ranking of closing prices. This is a powerful tool that can help you gain a market edge. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any questions or feedback, please email us at admin@sentimenttrader.com.